2 minutes, sir.
Today here to launch my book, The Unbecoming. My name is Kartikeya Vajpayee. I'm a lawyer by profession and I've written a spiritual fiction. It's a story of a cricketer and a coach, two lead characters, one in the pursuit of perfection in his craft, which is cricket, and through his own spiritual journey he discovers what is that state of things, what all compromises, and the other character is the coach. He is becoming a victim of failure and circumstances in life. So he is questioning life. He's going through an existential crisis, and he is trying to discover what is the purpose of his life. So if you see both these characters, one in the path of the Karma Yoga and the other on the path of the Jnana Yoga, discover their own truth and their journey, and what is their realization on both the path is what the book The Unbecoming is all about. It's a spiritual fiction for which the foreword as written by His Holiness the Dalai Lama himself and Swami Sar Priyananda, who is the current chief of New York Society of Vedanta and Ramakrishna Mission, has given the introduction to it. And I urge everybody to read it and benefit from it. The book talks about what creativity is. The book also talks about what is that state of perfection in any profession, how to reach that perfection. And it talks about a very, very important phenomena called rest in action, which in Patanjali Gita Yoga is also called skill in action. How to invite the state of perfection, where your inner spontaneity blossoms and your awareness takes charge of the situation by blossoming your intuition power. So it's also a state which describes what is this nature of flow state, which philosophers and many meditation practitioners have already spoken about. So this is the path. This book is talking about the path of Karma Yoga and Jnana Yoga, and I encourage everybody to benefit out of it. It's a humble attempt from my end to make these concepts, try to understand it with the help of a story and characters. That's it. Thank you very much.
Who is reading the book, sir?
Sorry?
Will it transform the person who is reading the book?
Absolutely. The story is of transformation. Both the characters are going through transformation. And it is the story which starts from a person who is having a lot of ego and which becomes an obstruction in reaching this perfect state. And that perfection, how it drops the person's ego and identity, that is the transformation which every reader will benefit from. So it has been published by Penguin Random House, and today it's there in English, but very soon it will come in all the regional languages in Tamil also.
Who inspired to write this?
Sorry?
Who inspired to write this?
Who inspired? It's my own parallel journey into spirituality, and also I've been going to silent meditation retreats for the past 10 years now. It's a center called Vishita. It's a Dalai Lama center. So within Mahayana tradition and our Advaita Vedanta philosophies have become an inspiration for me to write this book.
How long you took this?
When I started writing in 2020, and it took me almost 4 years to finish the story and then polish it. That's the journey of it.